Fuck. Hello, and welcome. My name is Jack. How's it going? Nice to meet you. I've probably never said my name before. So, first things first. Babe, this is your damn fault, so I hope you enjoy this. Because I probably wouldn't have thought to do this without you talking to me. Somehow you reminded me of this thing that I've done years ago, so now I've got to do it again. Now that my phone's on silent, so, as I was saying, I'm sick. That wasn't what I was saying, but it'll work. I'm going to bake cookies. I don't know why, but I wanted to record it. So, without further ado, I need to clean this. So, I guess we're just going to get on with that. Cool? Cool. Savvy. All right. I'll probably just time lapse it. Done. Wow, that peaked. Done. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so what do we got to do? We got to get the recipe open on my phone. I didn't fucking mean maps, you idiot. Yes, I'm looking for the recipe in Taylor County, Texas. What the fuck? Go back. Go. Motherfucker. Fuck, I love technology. And 1 cup of chopped nuts. I'm not Satan himself, so I don't plan on using chopped nuts, but you can in this recipe. I've done it. Flour, baking soda, and salt. That's our dry goods. So, unlike my... who am I kidding? No one's going to watch this video. Unlike my fiance, I'm going to separate the dry goods from the wet goods. Because that's what I've always done, and I have been told many times that it incorporates more air into the mixture, but their cookies always taste better, so... I feel like I've been lied to. Okay. Almonds! Remember almonds? Remember when I spilled almonds everywhere? I still do. It's a bad time to be alive. I don't know what's in this. Flour! Wow. Oh, what the... I think the sugar's gone bad. Can sugar go bad? Can sugar go bad? I feel like sugar can't go bad. But mine has figured out a way to go bad. Why am I grabbing sugar? I don't need fucking sugar yet. Hang on, okay. This is a problem for future me, and future me doesn't like to deal with his problems. There's a good callback for you. I'm not creative, so I have to reuse material. Partner. Fuck. We need some measuring utensils. They're right here. No, they're not. They're not right there. I need those later. Yep. Finding them. Yep. I'm working on it. Ladies and gentlemen, we got them. The British are coming. Just kidding, it's a ball. Shut up. I ain't blow my nose. Yes, I'm screaming. Why are you screaming? Because I'm sick. This is 2. At this point, you no longer need the flour. Like this is an educational video that's going to teach you how to make Nestle Toll House trademark cookies. Fuck corporate America. I almost fell. Oh, fuck. Thank you. Butter. We need butter. I didn't set out butter. Do we have butter? Fuck, we have 1 stick of butter. I've never been more angry in my life. Butter. Butter. Don't worry, citizen. You're safe. It stopped recording. I remember this happened last time. The exact same reason, too. I hit the fucking button because I thought it was going to focus. And it didn't focus. It just stopped the fucking video. Okay, well, that's fine. That's okay. I'm not angry. I'm not... I made not liquid butter. Pretty damn close, though. Into this bowl does not go butter. Because that would be stupid. What goes in the bowl? Baking soda. This is a spoon for your tea. If you don't have tea, go get some. I'm going to play a spiffing Brit here. You need to get some tea. If you're drinking coffee, spit it out. Right now, it's a disgusting drink. Get some tea. Why? I want to know why. It's probably got a purpose. Never mind. We will never know what it's for. Never in the history of learning will we ever know. I need salt. I have salt. These are going to be slightly salty. My sinuses. Mixer time. Probably just because I'm weak. There's a fucking plane going overhead. I don't know if you can hear that. Does that help? Can you hear it now? Probably not. I'm sorry. Sugar. Sugar. Boop, 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 boop. You're all too young for that. I'm too young for that. Fuck. Is this enough? No. Wait, never mind. It's not cocaine. It's just regular sugar. Damn it. Oh, buddy. That's the good shit right there. I used this mic for improved audio quality, but I'm pretty sure I just yelled to it across the room for most of this video. If you're lucky, you'll be surrounded by the ones that you love. When the lights in your eyes fade and life flashes by. One day you're going to die. Fuck you! No one's gonna know why I'm doing this, except for one person. And you know who you are, and I love you. Anyways, have you ever taken a pop tab off of a pop can? I'm gonna get weird fucking comments for my nomenclature. I use soda and pop interchangeably. Kiss my ass. Like I haven't done that before, you know, meeting that one person that I was talking to earlier, and it just feels weird. Anyways, this is a weird tangent. Well, howdy. Let me grab that. I had a return. God, I belong in an insane asylum. The way I move, it's so creepy. She was probably really fucking confused when she looked through my window and saw me yelling at a camera with a fucking mic in my hand. Why do I have a mic in my hand? I should just buy a fucking lapel. I did buy a lapel, and it fucking died immediately. It lasted like 3 days, and then it drowned in my own sweat. I'm a sweaty boy, okay? God, that's really disgusting. I'm sorry. I'm going to cut all this out. No, I'm not. Bitch. Oh, I'm fucking insane. Hi. Hi, fucker. Don't tell God I did this. Oh, fuck. Don't tell him. Don't tell him I did it. Hello?
Hi, we are at a gas station, and the car is saying no key detected, even though we have the key.
My parents are fucking stranded. In the next state over. Dope. They're done. I gotta grab.
My eyebrows. It burns. Oh God.
The joke's on you because I didn't. I'm not. Fuck, the entire bottom just fell out of it. Oh shit, these are liquid. Oh fuck. I have several questions. Why the fuck? Oh god damn it. Fuck. Never judge a book by its cover. Oh, yeah, it might be shit on the inside. Fuck. Nothing ever fucking cooks all the way through. I swear to God with this fucking oven. It chars the outside, so it's fucking burnt as shit. And the inside's fine. But, like, you gotta get through this shit layer. I'm talking to the void because the fucking mic's all the way over there. It's fucking batter on the inside. It literally just is fucking batter. I don't know what the fuck to do about that. Do you think I know what to do about? I don't fucking know what to do about that. It's fucking batter. Like, what the fuck, Richard? What the fuck? Fuck. All right, well, I guess we learned our lesson. The moral of the story, kids, is don't drink and drive. And if somehow you're at the end here, why? Why? You know, I'm sorry that you don't have anything better to do. Yeah, so I love you, babe, because you're probably the only person that's going to watch this all the way through. And yeah, bye.